1913. Ludwig Schunk, together with Karl Eber, found the carbon brush factory Schunk and Eber in Fulda, Germany. 1918. The company relocates to Heuchelheim near Gießen. Carbon brush holders, carbon products for mechanical applications, and sintered metal products expand the product range. 1947. Since the death of Ludwig Schunk, the Ludwig Schunk Stiftung has been the sole shareholder of the Schunk Group. Subsidiaries and shareholdings are established both nationally and internationally. Innovation and diversification in related technology fields expand the range of services.
Today, the exceptional growth of the company is a result of the outstanding quality, the highest level of reliability, comprehensive know-how, innovation, and not least the commitment of the employees and their loyalty to the company.
A rather eerie world in which everything stands still. Something is missing. Something that keeps our life in motion. Something that powers cars, buses, and trains. That gives hi-fi systems their sound. That powers electric tools. That puts aircraft in the air and brings light to light bulbs. With cars, people immediately think of the engine which drives the wheels. However, modern vehicles also contain numerous electric motors, starter motors, windscreen wipers, electric windows, seat adjusters, ventilation, and air conditioning. Others ensure our safety in seatbelt tensioners which react within milliseconds, in ABS and ESP. Schunk provides the carbon brushes for these and a vast range of other electric motors. The materials must withstand increasing loads. They have had to become even more durable, even more temperature and wear resistant. At Schunk, we are constantly working on improving the performance of the materials. And in doing so, we will make the technologies of the future possible. Ones which we cannot even imagine today. Thousands of railway vehicles throughout the world utilize Schunk power transmission systems. It is good to know that our expertise and components are making an important contribution to producing clean energy. We develop materials and technologies for a broad range of industries which increase their productivity and extend their service life. Highly wear-resistant sliding bearings and sealing rings from Schunk can be found, for example, in the chemical industry and power stations. And high-temperature technology would be impossible without carbon materials, ceramic, and quartz, because we deliver nothing less than perfection for the tribology and high-temperature technology industries. And those who develop coatings for the aerospace industry know just how extreme the temperature demands are.
You do not have to go to the polar circle or into space in order to experience extremes. Even our everyday climate demonstrates extremes which demand the highest performance from products. At Weiss, we work towards making the environmental influences calculable. Who can guarantee that technology will always function perfectly, regardless of the environmental conditions? Weiss's facilities are utilized to subject products and materials to a grueling range of tests. How and whether they can resist temperatures, humidity, air pressure, light, dust, rain, salt fog, and many other factors. In doing so, we make everyday life even safer. We also provide optimum climate conditions in computer centers, hospital operating theaters, and clean rooms. The systems from Weiss have proven themselves wherever demanding climate solutions are the key.
We shape metal powders. Sintering is one of the oldest and, at the same time, one of the most innovative branches of the metallurgy field. Powdered metal is compacted in a die and then solidified using heat. It's strange to think that without the sinter metal parts employed in their engines and transmissions, none of today's vehicles would work. At high speeds, even the smallest fault can result in severe consequences. That is why our production focuses on the zero-defect philosophy. For example, the click of a seatbelt gives me the good feeling of being on the safe side with Schunk. Millions of motor vehicle drivers throughout the world can rely on us. Together is the key word within our organization. We cooperate closely with our customers when creating every one of our products. We integrate our customers' requirements into our consulting, the development, as well as into the production and delivery of our components.
We have become the worldwide recognized leader in the ultrasonic metal welding market. In only a fraction of a second, permanent, secure, and metallurgically pure compounds with excellent physical properties are created. For solar collectors and vehicle wiring harnesses, equipment from Schunk Sono Systems create perfect connections. Connections which last. For a product's entire life. At Schunk Sono Systems, we ensure that the power flows.
Our employees are the foundation of the Schunk Group. Their motivation and skills form the supporting pillars upon which our future rests. The corporate culture at the Schunk Group is characterized by its diversity, as are the sites, regions, and business fields in which we are at home. This feeling of belonging is derived from our common sense of values and goals. This gives us the vitality and energy to work for Schunk with commitment and enthusiasm. We are proud of our company and look to the future with optimism. It is truly difficult to imagine how today's world would look without Schunk.